Good morning, Paige here with m.a.b.e.l, and I'm at NextFab's printing room today. The video you're about to see is a recap of an experience that we test drove for our 2024 craft tour. We went to this Frank Lloyd Wright building in the middle of Tokyo, and we took a Wagashi class. Wagashi are Japanese sweets. The Wagashi tradition is over 1,000 years old. They are sweets made from like bean paste and yam and other ingredients, all natural ingredients, including the food dyes. Our instructor was Mr. Eiyo-san, and he comes from a very long line of Wagashi makers. And he teaches this workshop at this Frank Lloyd Wright building. And so we just hopped right in and had a wonderful experience. So enjoy the video, and if you enjoy content about Japan and you're interested in the Japan Craft Tour, you can hit like and subscribe. There's also more information about the Japan Craft Tour through the link below in the description to our website. Okay. Oh, and then you're going to flatten them. Oh, nice. Nice, okay.
Yeah. で、次はね、しっかりと思います。ちょっと硬いですかね。
Yeah, they're a little hard. He said so. Is it marzipan? It's not marzipan. なんでできます？
白あんって、インゲン豆の白いやつね。
Okay, so it's a type of bean.
プラス、芋。大和芋っていう、
and potato starch.
日本のその粘りのあるそのお芋を混ぜて作ってます。で、これは栗と白。
Okay, so the browner one is chestnut. A little bit of shio. Sorry. 栗と白あん、白いあん。 Okay, and white bean.
豆と砂糖と栗ね。で、芋と。でで重ねます、はいね、でしっかりと押し広げて、であんを乗せて、で上から軽く押して親指で、で場所を変えて優しくね、これで潰さないような感じで、中のあんをね、潰さないような力加減で、場所を変えて、で、ぐっと包み込んで、上は、OK。ここで離れるでしょ。ここでこうやって寄せといてトントントン。広い。とても綺麗。まあ、グッドね。で、もう一個ね。もう一個。
Needed enough to do your craft.
逆さにして。これ？で、OK。
When it cracks like this, that one's enough.
それでね、ここね、寄せとく方がね、やっぱ離れないですよ。こうやって、こうやってキュッとしといて、で、やってあげると、入っちゃいます。
Eiyo-san walked us through the steps of making the first one, and then we were on our own to make the second one of the pair.
水分をこうやってキュッと絞っちゃう。ね。切ってっちゃうんでね。で、お腹筋手繰り寄せてきたら手の上でキュッと包むんだよ、ね。しっかりともうすっごい力パンパンに入って離さないで、下から膨らみますね。そしたらほどいてあげて、でもね、キュッとなりますね。そうするととっても綺麗になりますから、今からこれをねみんなで作っていきます。配りますから。はい。
After finishing the 2 round-shaped confections, we then moved on to making one that was a flower shape. This one was much more difficult, and it involved a lot of manipulation, and we even used some sweet bean jelly to create a little leaf for it. You can watch Eiyo-san as he's demonstrating how to make it. These are really small but deliberate movements, and just the tiniest little bit makes such a big impression.
で、中央じゃないよ。not center.
Not in the center.
ここね、ここにつけるの、ここにこうやって。OK ね。こうだよ。ね。で、こういうのはね、クリーム。そしたらこれね、包丁ね。ここの包丁になってるところで、6時、6 o'clock。
Okay.
で、10 o'clock。
Okay.
6時、10時ね。10 o'clock。ね。そしたら、これを。ね。で、わかる？で、根元からね、ここからこう中入れて。
So here you can see how Eiyo-san just takes these small little movements to manipulate the dough to create sort of the open petals of the flower.
Oh, that's the cookie.
There's the small cookie.
羊羹。羊羹。まあ。
Oh, so the
we have some matcha. We have one of our treats that we made. I picked one that came out the worst. So looking forward to tasting this. Yum. The wagashi were incredible. They tasted delicious. We finished up with matcha, and that's traditionally how wagashi are served. And it was fun. It was really nice to be in a workshop with Japanese people learning the same thing as us. And we learned like how the smallest details make such a big impression in the wagashi. Like when you wrap the sweet in the gauze and plump it up just a little bit, it just makes it that much more beautiful to the eyes. So Eiyo-san was really, really patient with us, and he was quite a great instructor. We had a wonderful time, and it will be on the docket for our 2024 Japan Craft Tour. So again, hit like and subscribe, and you can read more about our tour in the description below. Thank you for watching.